welcome back to the vlog. I have some breakfast in the microwave right now and it just beeped. Post-workout munch is 4 chicken sausage meatballs and then 2 egg bites that I made from scratch. Today was a light, easy workout. I just did kind of like a Pilates inspired one. Did that for about 35 minutes and then I walked on the treadmill for 40 minutes while catching up on some of my favorite YouTubers. I don't think I've ever seen the smoke this bad in Boise. There was a fire, like a really, really big one. I want to say maybe 70,000 acres were burned in Stanley, Idaho, which is not that far from Boise. My friend KK and I, we went camping there 2 summers ago. And I'm pretty sure there was a fire in Kuna as well. So like right now, I don't even know if it'll pick it up on camera, but you cannot see any of the foothills. You can't see anything. And this morning when I went into my garage to get in my car and go to the gym, it smelled like really, really bad burnt popcorn. That's like the best way to say it, but like more poisonous, if that makes sense. That's what it smelled like. It was absolutely horrible. And I just hope that everybody who has been affected by the fires is okay, and people who have bad respiratory problems don't go outside and breathe in the smoke because this is not healthy at all. I got some new slippers. Look at how cute they are. They're so, so comfy as well. All right, you already know we're turning on Gilmore Girls this morning. Whoa, good job, Much. Every single fall, I restart Gilmore Girls. It's just a thing. And if you've never seen it before, this is your sign to go on Netflix. It's peak girlhood, peak fall. Hello, let's not. Let's not do that, please. Let's not do that.
Great person. She's also my best friend in the world. So if you care, relate to her. I just think I can occasionally stand to talk.
You're not done.
No, I'm fine, really. Let's go. I'm being very literal these days.
Fine, we'll see something else. I'm not getting
Obviously, since it's September, it's time to bring out the pumpkin spice lattes. So I'm showing you guys my current latte recipe that I'm doing with some pumpkin puree. But I had a little accident during this, and y'all just wait for my reaction because it caught me so off guard.
Oh, stop it. This is going to make you mad. I just have a couple of questions about your application. Your application. Now, I called you back.
There's no way. So yeah, that was pretty tragic. But anyways, I'm just putting the lid onto my mason jar. I was luckily able to recover it. I just needed to add a little bit more milk and some pumpkin spice. Gave it a good shake, and then I moved everything over to my Nespresso machine where I did a 2-shot of espresso. My favorite pod that I use is called Caro. So if you go on Nespresso's site and you're looking for a good one just to make lattes with, get that one. I promise you, you're not gonna regret it.
One, two, three, four. I hate the way they always kiss in the kitchen, acting like they're still just 21.
Ladies and gentlemen, the influencer was influenced. I had this cute little vision for the outfit that I want to wear today, and so it involves this headband that I got. This has been like all over my Pinterest board. It's kind of one of those little comb tooth headbands. It takes me back to my childhood because my mom used to put me in these all the time. And this is the product that your girl has been influenced to try out. We are going to try the Skims Seamless Sculpt bodysuit. The iconic original Skims black dress is my favorite. I love wearing it out to a nice dinner. I feel like it just really helps accentuate your curves. The reason why I've been so excited to try this is because I want to find shapewear that doesn't add bulk or sacrifice comfortability, because a lot of times shapewear can be just super constricting and almost do the opposite of what it's intending to do. It's tiny. It looks like this would fit a literal toddler, but that is the point of shapewear. It stretches out and it just like sucks you all in and just highlights your curves. So we're gonna put this on right now. I think I want to pair it with some like loose jeans, and then we're gonna add the headband and see what we think. This is so freaking flattering. I have ordered probably 3 different types of shapewear in my life. One online, one from a big name retailer store that I paid a lot of obnoxious money for, and then another one at my grocery store that has like a clothing department. None of it compares to this. Are you kidding me? I cannot get over how slimming this is, and I love that I don't feel restricted. Oh my gosh. Also with jeans, I feel like this is the perfect fit. Maybe throw on a baseball cap if you have like a greasy hair day. Now we're gonna try to add the headband. I can either love this or hate this, but I feel like I'm gonna love it. I'm like crouching down to look in the mirror. It's giving like 90s. Overall consensus, I'm obsessed. I love it. Today I'm going out to coffee with my friend Taylor, and then my friend Ryan is coming over for dinner, so we're gonna do a little at-home meal. But I also wanna run some errands, so this is going to be the perfect errand fit. I might even bring a little sweater just because it is a little chilly now that we're in September. Skims absolutely slayed with the design of this bodysuit. Oh my gosh, I love it. This bodysuit, you need this if you're a college student. If you're anything like me and you start building Christmas wish lists early, add this to it. Add every single color of the seamless sculpt thong bodysuit to your Christmas wish list because it is a must-have. I put on my perfume, for anybody wondering. This is the one that I put on today, Glossier You. I've been using this for years, and even though I love mix and matching different ones, time and true, it is always gonna be around. So today's errands consist of going to Hobby Lobby because I have all of my memories, like just random things, airline tickets from, hello Matcha, can you not, please? I've got airline tickets in here, a bracelet, just like things that are symbolic to my boyfriend and I, like from our first dates and whatnot. I literally have a napkin to one of the places that we had our second dates at in Texas called Milo's, the restaurant. And so he doesn't know that I've made this and kept track of this. He probably will if he watches this video, but I just thought this would be a really cute project to actually finish throughout the book. It's very unique, and because it was handmade and my mom bought it at a little market in Texas, all the reason to actually complete it and fill it out. So I want to get cute stickers. It's kind of like a scrapbook, but not really. So I just want to go to Hobby Lobby and see what we can find. Yesterday I worked until like 10 p.m. doing homework, business statistics to be exact. I got ahead of it and finished everything that I needed to do because I knew that I wanted to run errands today, and because I'm going to be going out to coffee later with one of my friends, it was just a priority. Oh, also, speaking of which, I made my pumpkin latte this morning. Did you guys see earlier when I literally dumped the whole pumpkin pie spice into my drink? That was humbling, but don't worry, the pumpkin coffee was saved. I fixed it, dumped out the pumpkin spice, and it was delicious. But we will be getting more coffee later today with my friend Taylor. These are today's shoe choices. This is the brand, I'm totally gonna butcher it, Nisolo, I wanna say. Clearly, we can't leave the house in these fluffy slippers, even though I wish I could because they're so comfy. Let's go to Hobby Lobby, shall we?
There is a dance floor, watching a red dress spin around someone with my heart's a damn sure breaking in my chest, watching him fall for you. All I think of it now is up until yesterday you were remembering a bottle I washed away before I went away to college. But I had to fall out of love with you to fall in love with myself.
So I got a surprise package at my door the other day, and if you've been watching my vlogs, I think it was the 3 vlogs ago where I shared that my key glasses broke. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's spelled like you would pronounce it Quay, but I think the brand, because it's Australian, it's actually Key. My boyfriend ordered a new pair of key glasses to my door, and oh, I literally wanted to cry. I opened the package and I was like, oh, thank you so much. I have the best boyfriend ever.
What took you so long? I thought you never called Miami.
Shout out out to my boyfriend's dad for putting me on this song, Miami by Keith Whitley. I have been listening to it non-stop. And I also get questions all the time asking about like my current listens, playlists, whatnot, because I used to film playlist videos in my car and those videos, y'all loved them. But I have a public Spotify that's separate from like my music one, and I'll go ahead and link that one down below for you guys too, because I have a September playlist and this song is on it along with the 2 others that I just played. Everything is so fall. Just makes me so happy. Pause and be thankful. We're getting this.
Said that you've been hurt one too many times before. Ended up staring in the bathroom mirror, crying on your bedroom floor. Baby, you can take my word.
I found some washi tape and I like this because it has different seasons and holidays. So like there's Christmas, fall, 4th of July, Easter. I think I'm gonna get this. Also huge fan of alphabet stickers, so we're gonna get 2 packs. Airplane is fitting because we do long distance, obviously. Are you kidding me? Baby doll favors. We're back home. We made it. And we're gonna do a little haul of everything that I got from Hobby Lobby because we got some good stuff, you guys. Matcha is here, he's present. He has no clue that I got him a dog toy, so let's see his reaction. Starting off strong, this is the washi tape or decorative tape that I was talking about. There's so many different kinds and themes, but they also are different widths. So as you can tell, some are thinner than the others. I think this will be really fun. I want that whole book to be just spread out throughout different months, different seasons of life, whatever. Next up, I got a lot of stickers. This one has the months on it. Thought it was cute, plain, also very affordable. It was $2.99. And I think the total was $40, which is really good. How does Hobby Lobby always have sales? Like 40% off of everything. Doesn't matter if it's fall. They had like 70% off of Christmas. It's probably all last year's stuff, to be honest, but it's just crazy to me. They always have a sale going on. I don't know how they still stay in business with how cheap everything is. Look how cute. Okay, this is the dog toy. Oh, and there's a dog scarf. So this is the dog toy. Also comes with a dog scarf. Super cute floral print. We're gonna give it to Matcha. Oh, I didn't even see that there was different size scarves. There's a medium and a large. He definitely needs XXX small. That's okay. That'll keep him occupied for a long time. Next up, I got this calligraphy marker. It comes in a pack of 2. One of the widths is 2 millimeters, other one is 3.5. So like if I want to do maybe thicker illustrations or writing, just 2 black markers. Okay, then I got some bonding tape. I think it's double-sided, so I can put it down kind of like whiteout, and then the other side will be sticky if I have any concert tickets, receipts, things I want to put in the journal. Now I've got fun stickers. I mentioned this in the store, but because we're doing long distance, I felt like this sticker pack of planes was very necessary. Also some little kisses because we send letters to each other, and on a few of them I've left him little kisses on the note. Okay, then I bought 2 packs. This is really hard to see with this lighting, but of just regular alphabet letters. They're white, so hopefully it will look good and clean. And I got one more thing, and it's just a fall candle. Looks like this. The scent is Plentiful Harvest, and it smells divine. So good. It's orange peel, pumpkin, buttercream, nutmeg, cassia, clove, vanilla bean. I can't wait to light this, but I have to finish my other candle first. Such a successful Hobby Lobby haul. Yay! We've got 2 packages. Matcha, what could they be? The candle that's currently lit right now is the Glade times Emily in Paris collection. It smells so good. I have 2 other ones that I need to go through, and then I'll light the one that I got from Hobby Lobby today. But we've got 2 packages. I think both of these are PR because I have not ordered anything to my house lately. First one is from Errands. This is so sleek and chic. Oh my gosh. This is their double serum complete age defying concentrate. This is such a timeless brand. I remember growing up going through all my mom's makeup and skincare. This was a brand that I regularly saw in that collection. So second package, I already can tell who this is from. Oh, well, it literally says the tape that sealed the package. I knew off the bat this is from Day Hair. This brand is so dreamy, and everything from the way that they market themselves as like a desert hair brand. I love it so much. Plus I'm just obsessed with the founder, Amber. She's the cutest life ever and the cutest kids. Oh my gosh, how stinking cute. So this is their signature shampoo, signature conditioner, and their prickly pear hair oil. Love, love, love. It's great minimizing frizz, but also it kind of like hydrates your hair if you have split ends. This is perfect because I've been wanting to host a little back to school giveaway. I know everybody's back in school and maybe it's a little too late for that, but I think I'm gonna have to throw this in that giveaway. This wouldn't really be a Caroline Manning vlog if I wasn't doing college work or talking about college, so that's what we're doing right now. I've got 2 different things that I need to do. Entrepreneurship, reading my textbook, and then biz law, which I'm about to do right now. We have to go into this website called Pursual, and it's kind of like a fun twist of reading your textbook. Usually a lot of people skim through textbooks, maybe don't even read it most of the time, but we actually have to annotate our textbook. And so it's been nice because I've been able to pull in things that I've learned from, this sounds really, really bad. Suits is one of my favorite shows, and it's a show about the law, being a lawyer, whatnot. And so I've learned so many different words, and throughout the reading, you know, I'm seeing words like deposition, hearing, things like that, talking about the court system. And I just love annotating on it and expanding on that idea, but I have been able to answer a lot of questions because I watched that show. So Mike and Harvey for life. Threw on a little cardigan. We're about to head out again. This time to meet my friend for some coffee. I kind of want a scone. Like if there's a pumpkin scone at this coffee shop, I will be getting that.
Well, I guess you haven't heard. You've been getting around no more. Things are about to get much better. So I wanna make this forever. I wanna make this forever.
We're doing some butternut squash ravioli. I don't have like a white creamy sauce, but I do have my pumpkin puree. Obviously you guys saw I used it to make my coffee earlier, and I think I'm gonna experiment. Maybe mix it with some milk, vinegar, Parmesan, oregano, and we're just gonna make something out of it. This is legit cooking with Caro. Smoothie challenge. Ravioli. I feel like it's gonna be the perfect mixture of sweet but also like savory. One of the chickens is done. This is what it looks like. I just air fried it. Super good. This one's about to go in, and I'm heating up the sauce right now, and then we're gonna add the pasta. But this cooks really fast. I think it's only 3 minutes.
Overwhelmed by the unknown, was the world made for my soul? Teenage therapy, just a cup is all I need. I can close my eyes.